Show me your peace plant. Okay.
One should I take out?
Careful. Come here.
Mother paneer.
Okay.
And the spices. Some bay leaves. And the cumin.
Okay.
Now what?
Come here now.
Chopped ginger.
Okay. Careful, okay? What is this?
Potato.
No, chopped garlic.
Chopped garlic.
What mama is doing?
You're cooking?
Okay.
Mama,
Stay away. Okay? Little bit. Now
chilies.
I'll help you.
No.
No, it's chili.
No.
Okay. Okay. Careful. Yeah. Stay away, Shrey. Stay away. Yes.
Smelling that. Can I put?
Yes.
Now,
What is this?
onion.
Chopped?
Chopped onion.
Now put it.
Left one.
That's good. What is this?
This is some salt.
Okay.
And we have to put it like this.
So why you put the salt?
Because it will taste like a man. It will taste like
It tastes like?
mm.
No. So onion can cook fast. What is this?
Tomatoes.
Okay, wait. What is this?
This is spices.
No, this is coriander powder.
This is coriander powder.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
you put it inside.
Mm-hmm.
And then we go with
Veg.
this is the
Not spicy too much.
banana.
Now it's time for the turmeric, Shrey. Wait. Yeah. Okay, you do.
Now it's time for this.
Yes.
And I cook with
You also cook, but stay away from the fire, okay? Mama will also help you.
I don't want to
What is this? Huh?
see them making something.
What are you doing now?
Now I'm adding some
What is this?
now some
Coriander.
coriander.
Yes.
नहीं मेरा मुंह में
Looking like
गिराइए देगा लाना पूरा
Daddy will help you, Shrey.
आराम से नीचे से
Yes.
doesn't move it.
What was that?
that was some
टमाटो प्यूरी ऐसे वो इतना फास्ट नहीं करते हैं स्लो स्लो मुंह में चला जाए आँख में सब
Yes. Oh. Very good.
Why will you
Dahi-
eat
dahi
like
kya hai?
this?
Curd is here.
दाल अलग से निकाल के बोल में डाल ना।
What is this?
This is some curd.
What is this?
थोड़ा नीचे-
Some curd.
थोड़ा
Down,
नीचे
down,
डालो।
down.
हाँ।
Yes, yes.
No. Never cut paper. I will cook on me.
You never cut paper, right?
I'll cook.
You have to hold like this and then see.
This?
Can I put it?
No, no. First, tell me what is this?
This is what?
It's a chestnut puree.
Cheese.
Okay.
No. Let's put
धीरे।
It's paneer.
cheese. No.
गरम मसाला डाली थी।
What is this?
Kasthi.
Swimming.
Okay.
Let's put it.
तो from the corner. That's it.
Your hand is looking like mine's.
Really?
Yes. But your hand.
बंद कौन कर दिया?
E.
कौन सा पटा ले जा रहा है? पता नहीं जाएगा, पता नहीं जाएगा। कहाँ जाएगा? जमीन में ये है।
Ready.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Now let's put some.
चपाती है ना।
My chapati is not ready.
इधर नमक से फेंक दी रखी थी।
Wait now. Now Shrey cheese is
Ready. But take up.
take off.
Process है।
Come.
And process है।
Here. Come.
Hey, Lega. हम बनाए हैं.
कैसा है?
बहुत बढ़िया।
हाँ?
बहुत बढ़िया। चलिए इसमें डंगाली करते हैं।
ओह श्रेय.
पनीर लबाबदार। रेस्टोरेंट